Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have a brand new Louis Vuitton unboxing, so let's get into it. So this is unfortunately not going to be a Murakami unboxing. All my orders are still pending order validation aside from the Nano Speedy that I was able to pick up about a week or so ago. Kind of confused as to what is going on at Louis Vuitton. This was also a pre-order, and 2 out of the 3 items that were supposed to be here for January 15th launch are still pending validation. So I'm not sure what is going on at Louis Vuitton that pre-orders are now not coming in when the launch happens and they are coming after the date. I'm kind of confused as to why we're pre-ordering them at this point, but at least one of them is here and it is super fun. It is a food themed pocket organizer. So let's go ahead and open it up now. Before I get into the unboxing, I would really appreciate it if you can hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow. I make videos every Friday as well as shorts every other day. So if you like that kind of content or simply want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this new pocket organizer. So as I mentioned, I did pre-order this item, I want to say in late December, and the launch date for this was going to be January 15th. So this one, it did come a little bit earlier than launch. However, this pocket organizer does come in 3 colorways, and the other 2 colorways that I ordered are still pending order validation, and I ordered these all at the same time. So I'm not sure why this one came before. Even when I was in store picking this piece up, my client advisor said they didn't get the other colors, which was very interesting. So I'm very fortunate to see this one right now. I will do an unboxing when the others arrive, but I'm just kind of at a loss right now for why we're doing all these pre-orders if we're not getting them when launch happens. But that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and just open it up. So I have seen this piece. I did order it online and picked it up in store. So any guesses as to which pocket organizer I got? I got the donuts themed pocket organizer in the chocolate color. So as I did mention, this pocket organizer does come in 3 different colorways. It comes in the chocolate, which I have here, pistachio, which is like a light green, as well as a blueberry one. So for some reason, those 2 colorways were not in store when I picked them up. They did have other SLGs in this collection for those colorways, however, not for the pocket organizer. This collection is very small to begin with. It doesn't have any bags. It's just mostly predominant SLGs. So I was very happy that they had a pocket organizer just because I absolutely love these colorful donuts against the brown canvas. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. I do have some other videos coming up. I was tagged in some tag videos, so I will try to do some of those, as well as I have obviously some more unboxings to come, depending on when those orders finally get validated. Let me know down in the comment section below, at what point would you start to cancel these pre-orders, considering they're taking about 6 weeks now. So let me know down below if I should start canceling these orders, if I should just be patient and wait it out. I do really want some of these pieces. However, I'm getting to a point where I'm a little bit frustrated as to why pre-orders are not coming when launch dates happen. So let me know down in the comment section below, am I overreacting? Should I wait? Should I not? Let me know down below. And if you like this kind of content or simply just want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.